છે.
Mean arterial pressure, uterine artery Doppler.
So I'd like to call upon my another moderator, Dr. Pragya Mishra Chaudhary ma'am. She is a consultant infertility specialist at New Life Test Your Baby Center and MGM Hospital and Research Center, Patna. She is Secretary General ESOPOR, Chairperson, Genetic and Fetal Medicine. She has so many titles, and I think everybody knows that she has received many awards like Asia GCC Award 2021, Healthcare Professional of the Year, George Mahoney Award. So without taking much time, as we are already running late, so we'll go directly to our panel discussion. Over to Pragya ma'am and you. One thyroid hormone is also missing. We have not seen that. It should also be taken care of because she might be having problem with thyroid also.
Presume that it was normal.
It was not seen. We should have seen.
Yeah. Okay. So anybody sort of
Anxiety is most important thing because that should be ruled out first of all. बहुत placebo, anti-anxiety, everything it will act like, and rest all I think everybody has mentioned. And still, if it fails, then we can freeze the sample for next cycle.
So, the patient is not able to give in the premises, then with proper consent, we can also do a home collection of the sample.
So I will come to that point again. So only one thing which I found, and the study says is a better combination. Though I am also using sildenafil in such cases, 25 milligram is my dose. But this study says that if you use SSRI with phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor, which is sildenafil, then it gives better efficacy. Anybody has used SSRI combination with this? No. So we are all going with sildenafil probably. So just to sum up, what all we are doing for such cases is a very good counseling. First,
and by flexing the both knees over the abdomen, the position gets corrected. Some more.
Definitely, position is very important. We can do ultrasound guided, and we can also give an injection of Buscopan. At times, it does wonders. Just give an injection of Buscopan, and you are able to negotiate. And at times, if I feel seeing the cervix, I try to make it a point when I am doing day 2 follicular study. I just see the cervix. So on the day of trigger, I try to negotiate the cervix. So it helps at the time of IUI. I'm not stuck on that day.
one hint I can give you. Acha, you say.
I would never touch the cervix on the day of trigger. In fact, if I'm expecting my pills. This, there might be some kind of trouble during IUI. It's better I would like to check the patient on day 2 and try to do just like we do mock embryo transfer. We can just do a mock, IUI and try to find out if I can face any trouble during my IUI procedure. And then that time, if I feel, then I will just abandon that cycle and just I will not do IUI in the cycle. I will better try to correct the cervix. Means I can try for the cervical dilatation under GA and then stimulate the patient.
so will you leave the sample in cervix in that case?
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah, many times when the cervix, one option can be given to the patient that we can do IUI under GA. And because that will relax the patient and there might be some negotiation may be possible.
I'll give you one tip, where cases have been difficult, have used a Cusco speculum, have not been able to negotiate the cannula. So even sometimes, in frustration, we tend to hold the anterior lip also. Nothing has worked. When I have removed everything, I've just inserted the SIM speculum, seen the cervix nicely, and the cannula just takes the direction so easily. Try it out and really, it helps in so many cases. Remove Cuscos, just use the SIM speculum, just bend down a bit, take the cannula and works fantastically. Many difficult cases I've managed with that, where I've actually thought that the internal osseous stenosis.
Yes. Right direction.
Yes, exactly.
You are finding the right direction. कई बार कसपोज को ऐसे करके थोड़ा सा बाहर को खींच के हल्का सा हिला दे तो you can
Yes, that also works. Just loosen your customers a bit.
your reticence spectrum. I have also done this. Since लगा करके आपने acutely introverted चले गए तो you can go.
Normally, we don't use a SIMS for doing IUI. We use a cuspo speculum. But where, before using any other instrumentation, I would suggest that, remove your cuspos, just use the SIMS retractor and just easily the cannula goes in many cases, in difficult cases.
Sometimes, ma'am, when cervico-uterine access plays a very important role. If that is straightened, then half our work is done. And we can also change the catheter because the IUI catheter, that is very simple. But if in such a case, we can use the ETO sterilized the
20 mm in IUI at least I will give the trigger.
Agree.
Anyone?
I think I will see the endometrium, but there's no harm in waiting. We can just wait for 1 day. The follicle will grow maximum to 21 or 20. Yes, after 14 mm I can add estrogen.
We can add
estrogen.
we can add extra one dose.
Okay, so I did what Dr. Preeti is suggesting. So well waited, and day 12 follicle size was 24 mm with endometrial thickness of 6.5. So that day gave the HCG 5000 IU, and day 13 follicle size